Hello and welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where my food is healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm going to do something vegetarian. It's really delicious and very simple to make, and it's for my vegetarian followers out there. It's a lentil kibbeh. So what we start with is lentils. Bring 3 cups of water to a boil and you put 1 cup of these lentils and you boil it for around 15 to 20 minutes until it's soft. Then you turn the fire off and let it cool down. As it cools down, it will absorb all the liquid in there till you end up with something like this. You bring it back to the boil and we have to puree it. I've got here 1 cup of fine burghul, and to that I'm going to add what equals around 2.5 cups of this pureed lentil mix. So I'm just estimating right now, and I'm just gonna give it a mix. Okay, I'm gonna leave that just for a few minutes so it keeps on getting softer with the heat of the lentils. And now the spices. Okay, I've got here, you can use paprika. I've got something similar. It's called berbere. Actually, it's a smoked Ethiopian pepper, and it's really delicious. As I said, paprika will suffice. I've got black pepper, 7 spice, always important, cumin, I've got tomato paste, and chili paste. This is always optional. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I like it spicy. I'm gonna give it a little mix, and I'm gonna move to my hands now. Salt. So maybe that's around 1 tablespoon. At the beginning, you're gonna find it's hot, but as you keep mixing it, it will cool down. I'm gonna add a bit of olive oil. I will be adding more later. I just want to get the texture right. I'm going to wait for it to cool down a bit because I'm going to add some fresh herbs to it. Green onions, 1/4 cup, parsley, coriander, 1/4 cup chopped onions, and 1/4 cup chopped tomatoes. I'm going to give this all a mix. See, now it's gone again more from the paste, and this is where I'm just going to add some more olive oil. It just softens the texture. This is eaten with a nice, very simple salad, tomatoes, onions, and some coriander. Just a squeeze of lemon. That goes in the center. I've got some olive oil here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put my hand in, and this is so it doesn't stick to my hand, and it gives a nice gloss on the outside. So I'm going to choose like a golf ball size, and just gently, if you just watch with the fingers, I'm trying to get the marks of my fingers on the kibbeh. That's traditional way of how it should look, but you know what? You can do whatever you want. This is the plate done, and here's my take on a vegetarian kibbeh nayyeh. I hope you enjoy it. Trust me, actually, I know